Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create round pleated gele. So guys, this gele is very easy, something that you can just sit down, put mirror at front of you and start tying your gele by yourself. It's something that is very easy, very simple, that you can just sit down and tie yourself. So if you have your ashoke, it's very easy. And this gele, it's 70-30 ratio for this gele. If you want to tie 70-30 ratio. So I can't say that I'm very expert, but the little knowledge that I have, that is what I'm sharing with you guys. So I just hope you like it. Here is the front. Here is the front, and here is the back. Here is the back. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for you guys to know. And don't forget, I'll be giving you guys the new trending gele style, and I do upload video twice a week, sometimes once a week. It depends on my schedule. So you just do like this, then use this your other hand to hold it down like this. Go back and adjust the pleats that you created here. So you will just have to take your time. After that, you can now shape the pleat back a little bit. So I'm sure adjusting it. So let me show you guys. So let me show you the back. So I'll be turning it like this. To the front. I'll bring it back. Guys, look at the way I'm packing back now to start creating my piece. So if you are creating these pleats, you just have to take your time, guys. It's one step at a time. You take your time to create as much pleats as you want. You create as much pleats as you want. So you'll be dragging the pleats. You'll be dragging it like this. I love doing my pleats much, so I'll still continue creating my pleats. Guys, there's a mirror at front of me that I'm looking at. So if you are tying it, you have to place a mirror at front of you for it to be more easier for you to see what you are doing. Because if you do not place a mirror at front of you, you won't see what you are doing very well. So you have to place a mirror at front of you. So I'm still continuing creating the pleats. Guys, I sweat a lot. So you know, we are plus size like this. Eh. So the pleat that I created at that front, that is what I'm adjusting now. So I'm going back, I'm adjusting here. Guys, I'm not expert o. The little knowledge that I just have, that is what I'm sharing with you guys. So now guys, I'm through pleating it, so I'll now go back now to finish tying the hand. So now I'm going to shift it back a little bit. So guys, this is how I do tie my round gele. So this is how I do tie my round gele. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell below for you guys to know whenever I upload a new video.